Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and we're going to jump right on into this video. I'm going to be reviewing EAP Heat, flat iron, curling iron, and blow dryer. Many of you know I do not use heat on my hair often, so I took this time to do my heat pass this month to review these amazing products by EAP Heat. Okay, and I've been seeing these products all around Instagram, and stylists have used these products on myself. So I was really excited to try these products directly on myself to give you guys my full review. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I did use the Olaplex line this time around, and in this video I was about 1 week post relaxer, and my hair is wet because I just rinsed out the number 5. Okay, so I like to let my hair air dry a little bit before I actually start to blow dry my hair. And so I just kind of let it hang straight down like this. And then I will go ahead and put in the number 6 Olaplex, which is the Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream. It helps reduce frizz, nourishes, and protects. And I will say I love using this to air dry my hair. It definitely helps reduce frizz, and it smooths my hair out, makes my hair feel amazingly soft, and it does speed up the air drying time, I've noticed for sure. So I put about a dime size onto my hair and just make sure I apply it to my ends, work it on in, and I make sure I don't put too much of this because I don't want to weigh my hair down too much. And so I just put that on my hair and let my hair air dry furthermore. And I applied just a little bit more to my ends because I'm really trying to make sure I protect and baby my ends. And I'm just going to make sure that I put that everywhere, get into my roots and things like that. And so I only do a heat pass once a month normally, but this is actually the 3rd time I've applied heat to my hair since March 2021 because I am on a healthy, relaxed hair journey trying to, get my hair back to health. So my hair is starting to dry a bit more, so I'm almost ready to start blow drying. And as you can see, my hair is already having so much body in movement, so I am super excited to blow out my hair with this EAP Heat blow dryer. But first I am going to apply the Therm Active Heat Protector by Nioxin, and I've been using Nioxin for years and I love using this to blow out my hair as a heat protectant. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. I'm not really doing sections right now because my hair isn't that long right now, so I'm just going to lightly mist all over. And a little bit of this definitely goes a long way for myself because I do have fine hair. So then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I gently detangle my hair to prepare myself to blow it out. Because I want to make sure I don't have any tangles and things like that will snag and create breakage. So I am ready to blow it out. And my hair is very nice and lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Now it's time for the fun part. I'm using the EAP Heat hair dryer. It's extremely lightweight, you guys. It is so lightweight and easy to use. And it comes with a comb attachment nozzle, which is my favorite, and 2 concentrator nozzles that control airflow. It has an ionic motor to deliver fast flow for quick blow drying time. And I love that it also has a power and temperature controls and a cool setting with its professional strength 2500 watt AC motor. Like, okay, you about to be blow dried. Okay, with the quickness. It has 3 speeds and 2 heat settings with a cool shot button. So I'm going to go ahead and use the comb attachment because that's the easiest for me. And let's go ahead and get started. So I absolutely love this comb attachment. It made my blow drying time so quick and so fast. Like, I felt like I was in a salon. I've never blow dried my hair this quick ever at home. Like, I was done in about 7 minutes, girl. Like, that's how fast it took me to blow out my hair. And I put it on a medium setting so it wasn't too high, and the blow dryer was really comfortable on my hair. I didn't have any snagging. It was very smooth. It went through my hair very nicely. So this is definitely a staple for me moving forward. When I do decide to use my heat pass, my hair feels absolutely amazing and has so much body, and my hair just feels good. It doesn't feel dry or burnt. You know, like some blow dryers can make your hair feel crispy, but mine felt very full, very soft with lots of body, and the blow dry time was so fast. Like, that was my favorite thing about this blow dryer, how fast I was able to get through the blow drying time, because sometimes you don't want to be in the bathroom all day blowing out your hair, and this did the job fast, okay, and gave my hair so much body. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Kera Silking Seal because we're about to flat iron my hair. I like to add this sheen spray to my hair and an extra step to protect my hair also, because it is a heat protectant and it helps with blow drying too. So you can use this either before blow drying, after blow drying. I personally like using it before I flat iron my hair. And since I have fine hair, I just use a couple pumps in my hand, and I like to distribute it through my hair with my hands like this because it just works better for me, because I feel like I can control where I place the product a little bit more. So I just lightly put that in my hair, work it on through. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the EAP 1-inch flat iron, and I love using ceramic on my real hair when it's time for a heat pass. This flat iron actually comes in a black color also, so you can choose the color. I love the red color that I have. It's so pretty because I don't have a red flat iron, but now I do. So this flat iron heats up really fast too. There's no waiting around that you have to do when it comes to heating up this flat iron. So the temperatures range from 140 to 450. And of course, you can adjust the temperature to your liking. So when I do flat iron my real hair, I like to keep it in the low 300s for my heat pass, and that does the trick. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I like to section off my hair in sections, starting off in the back. You know, a pretty nice size, so I can do my heat pass with one pass each. And this flat ironer was so smooth and got the job done in one pass. I love it. I'm not just saying that just to say it. Like, I was able to flat iron my hair in 10 minutes. And I also believe that has everything to do with the length of my hair too, and the quality of this flat iron too. I didn't have to go over it, and like it wasn't consistent in some areas. It was consistent all the way through when I pulled the flat iron down. So that's definitely something that's important. And I just love this. This flat iron is going to be my new flat iron that I use, okay, for my hair. I do love using this on extensions and wigs and things, but I believe I like it a lot more on my real hair because I'm very serious when it comes to my hair health, and finding a good flat iron to use on your natural hair or your relaxed hair is really important. You don't want something that you're going to be fearful of burning your hair out with. So this was bomb for me. I highly suggest this flat iron for, you know, anyone who likes to flat iron their real hair and won't have to worry about, ooh, is this going to be good quality on my hair? So I did enjoy this flat iron on my hair for sure. And it was nice and lightweight. It was easy to use, easy to maneuver around when it comes to my hair and things like that. So I'm just going to continue to go through each section of my hair. And I feel like I'm using pretty large sections, and it was able to really get my hair straight with just the one pass. And just like that, I'm almost done. Nice and smooth. I will say that it gave my hair just a smoothness. And it didn't make my hair feel like stuck to my scalp. You know, like some flat irons, it just doesn't do what it needs to do. So I definitely feel like this flat iron does what it needs to do. And I really like this flat iron. I really do. So that is done. Like the shine, the body, so pretty. I love it. And a lot of professionals have used EAP tools on my hair before, so I was kind of familiar with how good the products were. but I was really shook. I was like, oh, I can have salon hair at home, okay, with EAP Heat, period. I was so excited. Like, I loved it. I loved it so much. Like, I actually had fun doing my hair, okay? So, I'm loving the results. And, you know, I wore my hair like this. My hair was super smooth. It had lots of body. It didn't have a burnt, crazy, crispy smell. It was just great. I had a great experience with using this flat iron. So, if you're in need of a flat iron, check EAP Heat out if you are in need and want to try something out. So, the next day, I was like, okay, let's try to put some clip-ins in and let's try curling with the EAP curling iron. So I'm going to pop a few clip-ins in. I do have a full tutorial here on my channel already on how I install my clip-ins if you want to see that. So now I'm going to use the almost 1 1/2 inch titanium curling iron. This is a 100% titanium curling iron, which enhances shine, tames frizz when using it. I also like using this size curling iron when I wear my hair so chic clip-ins. It gives it like a really nice effortless look to my hair. And the temperature ranges on this curling iron from 250 to 450. And what's cool also that I really like, because this also has a sleep mode. Like, what curling iron has a sleep mode? So it automatically turns off when it's left unattended to for 60 minutes. So that's real cute, okay? And the curling iron itself is just really pretty. I love the gold. It's just a pretty curling iron. So I'm going to use my favorite Hair So Chic clip-ins. These are the Indian Texture by Hair So Chic LA. Ooh, that's a little tongue twister. So I do have a full detailed tutorial on how I install my clip-ins if you guys want to check that out. But this video is about the heat tools that I'm using. So I'm just going to pop these bad boys in and use the curling iron. I always like to flip my curls to the back. And this is actually my first time putting these clip-ins in my hair since having the bob. So I struggled just a little bit with the hair kind of like poking out from the clip-ins, but I was able to make it blend. But I absolutely love how I was able to curl my hair with this curling iron. It was really easy. I didn't have to let the curling iron rest on my hair for very long. I had the curling iron set to 350, so it was really effective. I didn't have to have it rest on there forever. It was like a few seconds and boom, it was done. So what I'm noticing with the EAP Heat line is that everything is really effective. You don't have to sit and do things and let it sit forever on your hair. It just does everything with the quickness, quick and fast, which I really love. So quick, fast, and effective. So as you guys can see, I'm struggling. my bob hair will not stick and blend with the clip-ins, but I made it work. So the clip-ins, I did use 16, 18, and 20 inches. And I really love how the curling iron curled my real hair too. I didn't feel scared or worried that my hair was gonna burn out. So everything was really nice and gentle. I love the heat settings on this curling iron too. Like I said before, I didn't have to have it rest in my hair for too long for it to effectively curl my hair. So boom, done. And it gave my hair some really nice shine. It was very effective. I didn't have any frizz. My hair didn't smell burnt. Because, you know, with some curling irons you use and you're like, girl, my hair smell burnt. And, you know, my hair smell real cute, okay? So I'm just going to continue curling my hair. I really like the size of this curling iron, too. It gave the look that I was looking for. And it was effective. So yeah, you guys, I'm really impressed with how the curling iron curled small pieces of my real hair and the clip-in hair. I really love the results. So I am going to finish off my hair with some Sebastian Shaper Plus. And I'm going to actually rake through my hair with my fingers. Normally I would take a comb and really go through each section to loosen up those curls. But since I do have the bob, I didn't want to do too much and make my hair clockable. So I kind of left the curls more of a defined curled look. But I didn't want to do too much. And I actually like the hair with more tighter curls versus more relaxed like I normally like it. So it was really, really pretty. So I was lying. I ended up going through it a bit more to relax the curls a bit more to get more of an effortless, easy peasy look. So the curls actually held amazing. Even with all the raking through, the curls actually remained really pretty and intact. And it had full body shine. It was really, really pretty. I went out. I got a lot of compliments on my hair. The curls did not fall. It just had a really nice, effortless look and body to it. So I suggest you guys check out EAP Heat if you're in need of some tools. I felt like I had a great experience with using triple heat on my hair. I used the blow dryer, the flat iron, and the curling iron. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. And I do have a coupon code down in the description for you to check out below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.